Paul Adom na on an incorporated could be a company no. Behind the scenes, somehow Paul Adom 20 million, expecting to get $64 million, no, and the subsequent years, no, to make more money, no, and then omoni brebe because Paul Adom jo musikedi.
Me di me matem, se mi ti se kusie. Mimi ti se kusie. Can we tell me to a me no me ka kire.
They say no say akatia, they say we free akatia be kusie.
I matem 4 times into akatia no ho, na kusie no so asabeka o.
I'm say boy.
Now let's delve straight into the wagon. Enra, we discussed a year issues via a year Paul Adom. Oh no, this is not what I'm looking for, please. Yeah. And issue was about a year Paul Adom union say or yeah political criminal. Now, yesterday we discussed a year how Paul Adom or the menshia edin Emma Ghana Funyina and through Paul Adom no one may atia say a 2472 menshia ni asantifo him from penifo mo menshia tepa hene ejuso hene eye jaache hene ene ahemfu omo asantimemu a yebu omu yie no Paul Adom ebetena TV so ka kire Ghana Funyina say omo na sebio omo de pressure eto eye system no a friend say special prosecutor no office so yi no even though no na sa impenifo we nyina nim say Paul Adom eye kromfo a wabo Ghana kro no. And then yesterday night we spoke on this issue. We were very emphatic that Menshia has to come out officially to let us know that whatever Paul said or what he's saying or what he's putting out there is the truth. So far, we've not heard any official statement from Menshia. The reason why I'm saying we've not heard any official statement from Menshia is that I know that when Menshia wants to speak on an issue, Menshia will release an official letter. Menshia at the krata abeba bontene abekire say sebio ahemfo mpenifo mo Menshia omunya kromfo sebio 2472 o kan the senior officials omo Menshia hono sebio omunya kromfo na omaso so akromfo so. Nti I expect to say Paul Adom Asama Okaya no Menshia will come out and release a statement to disassociate itself from a criminal like Paul Adom. We all know say Paul Adom oye wia sebio onka no kre oye trofo a otumi kotomo na abetena TV so ka se onim oba no. Yen who Paul Adom is. He has been a liar for a very long time. And so what's study the life the life outside what he calls journalism. It has always been about backbiting, snitching, lying, stealing, and his whole thing has been about cooking jandam and placing on people to become relevant. And Paul Adom is somebody we know for a long time. Paul Adom has been somebody we know say he's a political insect. Or politics mu jantre ni konkonsenia. The oye say why no journalist so onye journalist. Odidin kofo botom a chrono any atron wocha and another Danko Ekufuado's regime for the past 8 years. Ekufuado be the president. Paul Adom at the end of the day took 2 appointments from Ekufuado's government. 2 appointments. Now those 2 appointments were all political appointments. Ojibako on NMC, I think so. And also what was it? Was it Mr. P? Help me. He took 1 appointment before he took the Ghana Airport Board chair position. So he has been a staunch member of the NPP. On the politicians and nanti area a Ghana Fosika Emma endeno ne to abeda homa ye nyina ebehu se Paul Adom sebio krono a waboye dwirima wedi ene atete a odi Ghana fo afem ene ne jantra ne ewi a ne yere soso and the Ghana for abehu Emma special prosecutor frena or say 2472 na hemfo mo asantimemu and a sebio omunim somabo wabo krono krano omo ye eye the pressure eto special prosecutor so say yenye den yenyino emfri eye efiase. Now Paul Adom and then now some a new twist at Ababetoso. Now the new twist is simple. NCA, thank you very much team. He took an appointment at NCA. Uwiesa appointment oji sika wiya sika ohono ena osabeji eye Ghana Airport Company Limited obeji board chair juma. For 2 terms of Ekufuado no Paul Adom has been an appointee or not. I say he has taken appointment from Ekufuado. Nobody can sit in Ghana and say Paul Adom is a journalist. He's not a journalist. He is a criminal who has availed himself to be used as a political criminal. So nobody should sit in Ghana and put the 2 together that the NDC government is going after Paul Adom because he's a journalist. No. Paul Adomotri is answering questions because he took political appointment from a party that is filled with criminals. Let's not get that wrong. In the end, say OSP ni ye Juma na Paul Adomotri betina TV so Otchere say. In fact, OSP ni ye Juma no ono Paul no agya tum so wabokro no na emu menhia ene ahemfo mu asantememu ejoso hene gyache hene eye menhia mpanifo including otumfo omo no de pressure to system no so abra wabokro no eme yi ni free de prisoner ade bi ani say gya no na eto na nante sa akwa wo se ka na menhia kire say eyampa omudi sa adwuma na so omudi sa adwuma no. So far I have not heard anything from Menhia Palace. So far I have not seen any official statement from Menhia Palace. We have not seen any official statement signed by somebody from Menhia, and I know Menhia has a very big office. And they say, and the corruption Menhia, and the corruption fra Menhia na Asante maimwa himfwa. We expect Menhia to release an official statement for us to put on record so that we can speak to that statement. And as I speak here, Menhia as a palace, they have not disassociated themselves or itself from a Paul Adomotri statement. Say, Otumfo said na himfo akese omo Menhia no. They are the ones who basically put pressure on OSP and Abino to release a criminal like Paul Adomotri, who is a political criminal. Now, there's a twist to Paul Adomotri's story, no? And the scene say, Avatex threatens to sue if Ghana Airport Company doesn't restore terminated audit contract worth $64.6 million. They have given Ghana Airport Company 7 days. Now, that company now, Paul Kofabaye, let me show you how he did it. Paul Adomotri be a company on any friends. And it will be a company, no. Or who say another company be aba and the proposal be abeto Ghana Airport Company. Now, company the proposal on the buyer, no. Paul Adomotri mo anka bibia. It's Paul Adomotri who proposed on a company in the buyer, or who say that proposal is juicy. So what Paul Adomotri did was that he contracted his friends, Sir Avatex Vowino, and told them, say, there is a proposal before them, our Ghana Airport Company, or your board chair. Now that proposal, no, or no Paul Adomotri, no, or person or then the friends, no, ever proposal, no. And he knew, said the money involved, you know, was huge. Now this is what Paul did. Paul Adomotri actually went to open a company. Sa company no be, you know, a nipa bakope and was a company nim. So I could check a company records. The Avatex company, no, you could check in the number of people who work in that company. The number of people are Sebio. All right, Mr. Thank you very much, team. NC, I get it. Now, so we check it. A nipa mo sa company no mu be na a nipa ba ko pe no company no a Paul Adomotri representative sa company na Paul dia. Now this is what they did. The original company na ebe bede for sa contract no. Omo beka omo de be kire Paul Adomotri wie no. Now omo koye no. And Paul Adomotri efa kire e the contract ne ma ono ne nkofo. So the presentation was done by a different company. And the contract was given to Avatex, Paul Adomotri, the parties companies are company. So the company that had the blueprint, no more idea, implementing. Paul Adomotri, with his power on the Ghana Airport Company board, he sidelined them, and then he quickly created this Avatex with his friends and said they should also drop in a proposal. Into the CN say the original company now create and as presented proposal, no, Paul Adomotri kicked them away because he saw about $64.6 million be say a wonderful. And at the end of the day, no, or the contract, no, a man in Kofo. And it's Paul Adomotri say, what do you know about this? I say, I don't even know the company. I've never even met the company before. The company that came, because Onim say, the company that came to do the proposal, and he's not affiliated to the company that presented the proposal, but he is indirectly affiliated to the Avatex company. Later, a contract. Are you getting me? Paul Adomotri, no. And it's now. I don't know the company. The company came and they did their proposal and then we did what? And they went. Because he knows, say, the company that had the original idea, no, Paul Adomotri is not connected to that company. And that was then that company did not win the contract. What they did was they used that company's face to present the proposal. In Tomu say Omunko and Paul Adomotri didn't say Avatex where we buy and the contract in Momo. Into Busan also, I have nothing to do with it. I have nothing to do with it. I don't even know the company. It was Paul Adom who opened this Avetex. Nende asama be sing and say, Sir Avetex for we about Bontabe catch the Ghana Airport Company say. Sir contract now Paul Adom is signing here now. And one bar sama yachina or see 2482 any menshia him for. And a Sebio Omoya day Omkopa Choman me no. Sir company no air threatening Ghana Airport Company say. So much contract no more. Almost contract almost 7 days. Sa contract na Ghana Airport Company etwemu no, the Ghana Airport Company air codien air court akoje judgment debt sika pudio. Paul Adom opie free sales no and on any lawyers abetena se. Any sa company na ono ane dia no and we create judgment debt or person oje. And it's na sorry no, the same company that was trying to dupe us, no, they are turning around to tell us, say any Ghana as a country, ya cancel contract now, almost 7 days. You know the reason? Because timer, the contract now, Emma Sanko Fu, you know, Paul had already taken his share. Down for me and put the company together. Now, Paul Adom say, as the board chair of Ghana Airport, you know, he just wants his cut for not the rest of the contract in Kofono running because he doesn't want to have any connection. So Paul was paid over $20 million. They gave Paul Adom about $20 million out of this contract. Into a G's can we no and Otchere and in Kofono Macau company no say no. Now what do $20 million a D? Now and the more catches some much contract and when you audacity to tell Ghana Airport Company say if you cancel the contract here 7 days, someone restore contract now, we will take you to court because they know said they have already paid Paul. And into the company no and the amateur letter Abba say Ghana Airport Company indirectly they are giving us Ghanaians 7 days to restore their contract. Because they had already paid Paul. Kai says our company no be no me any pamiensa. Now the omo say almost secure contract ni we no and a Paul catch almost say only the Sibian the position it a very sensitive. Now he has done his job as the board chair. He has been able to push this through. Now he wants to take his money and walk. They will have to run the company and also run the contract because it is going to be a long-term contractor. On the day, he doesn't want to have any influence on the money. Into $20 million and Otchere. Now the people no, they were expecting this contract to run. Now you see a contract in the HM into Sikaro Mutiama Porno and then Omudijina Soka say they are giving Ghana 7 days. Ghana should restore a contract with them. Ain't so one side here we are. Paul Adom Chisika wa Jeffrey Omo enti and Kofono sa boldness no to tell Ghana Airport Company say omo my 7 days we should go back and restore the contract. Paul Ajini Sikedi. The people are fighting with Paul behind the scenes. Now how is Paul going to get this contract back? Paul too is under investigation at our special prosecutor's office. He will come tonight and lie to you. And you know, Obwa, this is the real story. He will come and stand and say, and you know, Kisieja Bing, and I went to sleep on a mattress, and there was 2 mattresses, and you know my wife, and my beautiful wife, and my children. Obwa. He's a liar. Okodi Gabo Germany, and you know, I don't even know the girl. She left her kids with her nanny, and the 2 gentlemen from Germany, these white guys, you know me, and you know, so, and you know, when you go to Abroche, you want to eat wache, and they get me wache, so I don't even know. Obwa. That is what he is going to do tonight. He is going to come make it sound like a special prosecutor is tormenting him because he has a personal issue with him. There is nothing special prosecutor Jeffrey no. Paul Adom, thank you very much, team. Do you have something for me? Mr. S, do a breakdown for me. Do a breakdown for me. Do a breakdown for me. Do you want me to read this, Mr. S? I can read it right now. If you have done the checks, let me read it. I can read it for you right now. Ain't Anaju Ababa? He's going to try and clean himself. He's a thief or a cromfo. Paul Adom is a criminal. Huh? Or cookie idea way with assurance say no him say NPP for we need power. I'm telling you. He didn't know that the NPP were going to lose power. And this all deal we no him say enya de betija if we say why $20 million ready no the people will still be running the contract. He will still be the board chair of Ghana Airport and nobody is going to do anything. In the end a backfire, you know. That is why the company today they have the audacity to tell us say almost my 7 days you restore contract no. A day is sika And now yajin omuha yen restore contract no. Do we owe the company? Do we owe them a dime? Do they owe us a dime? So what is in this contract? Our company will pay omubejemu. It is because they have paid Paul $20 million already. After one strategy, no, and Nintina, as some the buyer, no, not all you need to say, oh, special prosecutor and pen asem, Kisieja being so good any man say. Now, team, what do you want me to do? Okay, now let me read the letter away. Company ni lawyer no threaten Ghana Airport Company. Let me read the letter. Paul he is a hardened criminal. Paul also done 20 years. Yeah. Make sure who Paul Adom is. Kwasia. Obaba Vietnam suit and you know, and we don't know, and you see, and they see Obwa. He's a criminal. He's a political thief. Me we mature on the crown and the jantina obo. Ne yere na oto na. Why Bemna also son in Kwasia Samsono. Now look at this. This is a letter. Company now Paul mo. A creative and the company no is threatening a Ghana Airport Company. Paul is a thief. Okay? Now the managing director, Ghana Airport Company Limited, date is 28th July 2025. Now, lawyer and a short letter will come a Ghana Airport Company. Now we read here notice here, notice of termination, revenue assurance audit agreement. We act as lawyers for Evertex Logistics Limited and hold its instructions to respond to your letter dated 28th of July 2025 on the above subject matter. In a said letter, you conveyed the intention of the Ghana Airport Company Limited to terminate the revenue assurance audit agreement, that is the agreement dated 4 December 2024, effective 27th August 2024. Our client has received this information to its utter dismay, given that it has heavily invested in the infrastructure tailor made for the GACL, that's the Ghana Airport Company Limited, pursuant to the agreement aforementioned. Now, furthermore, our client considers the intention to terminate the said contract as actuated by bad faith and unreasonableness. Now, we are instructed by our clients to inform you that the purported termination is unacceptable to it given its capacity, its capital investment into this contract in the region of $64 million. Moreover, our client had already started executing its assignment in fulfillment of the contracts and indeed prepared reports for your attention and action. In view of the foregoing and in spirit of seeking an amicable settlement of the matter, our client instructs us to inform you to withdraw the said letter within 7 days upon receipt of this letter. We are further instructed that if upon the expiration of 7 days you fail to refuse to withdraw the said letter, we have our client's full instruction and action to vindicate its rights and seek relief, including but not limited to its capital investment stated supra. Now, thank you. And it was signed by Kwame Ichampon Boating Esquire, K whatever company. Now, Paul Adom ne now for no be a company now $20 million free omo. Lawyers Otchere letter we come Ghana Airport Company, threaten Ghana Airport Company say, almost 7 days. Say withdraw and I say decision take yes cancel a contract no. Say restore contract no to its original former. Ma Ghana buying 7 days. Decision be taken no. Yane cry humba mobo. Paul Adom na odene nko could be a company no. Behind the scenes, Paul Adom $20 million, expecting to get $64 million, and the subsequent years, to make more money, and then because Paul Adom now what they are trying to do now is the counterfeiter because they cannot tell us say they paid bribe to Paul. They cannot tell us say they negotiated with Paul behind the scenes. So right now what they are doing is that you cannot cancel the contract. Why can't we cancel the contract? Why can't Ghana Airport Company, a DN Emrapa and a Dawa Ghana Airport Company, and to me cancel contract? The reason why they are saying that is because Paul Adom had taken their money. He had taken $20 million from them. Now, a Jumanangasa Krobu started here. And Omokacha is Oma Investisika, Omoboa, Omo Investisika. Mumusa company was a nipa send a Juma. When you check the company records, only one person is on Kwana Juma company, only one person. So, how did you, as one person, how were you able to put infrastructure together and install them and all that? The whole contract is a Paul Adom is a thief. It is a person who idea was simple, sana. And it's an Andra. And it's an Andra. Yet say, Paul Adom TV so say mensia. Ahemfo akese omwa santimemu and a ma system ne pressure. Emma yeja no na ya. And it's we are expecting mensia to release a statement because Paul Adom nyoma waye no eye krono a eni say a man opportunity to be working freely in Ghana. The guy is a criminal. He's a thief. He cooked this deal. He took $20 million. And it's a company that had the audacity to write this letter to Ghana Airport Company Limited. Nobody should listen to Paul Adom. Nobody. Ni anti kroma. And Paul Adom, former Exim Bank board manager, no. Edi Paul Adom yire. Paul Adom. And nebusu afo nyina etna se mugu Paul Adom aware. Yantiana Paul Adom call Germany. Na downful ninua ne baba o said Paul Adom call repu ne fa girl no. Mbeka Paul Adom say onja dia oye no. Now what he's doing is wrong. Paul Adom Chebekache say onim bibia sa until the video be chere Ghana for girl na Paul Adom call repu ne ko wo ye no. Girl ne ma me be Paul Adom dua. Girl ne ma me betena me shows ka say Paul Adom na nice kokohwe de. Paul Adom had the audacity. In fact, the amount Paul Adom is a very dangerous human being in the middle of the chaos, he was able to come on TV to act as if he said, girl no crowd nimuno. Paul Adom, the same person tonight to be coming on TV. Or the token you know, I don't know anything. Even when I was there, I've not met a Kufuor before. I don't know what people are saying. And see people, they don't like me. No, or Tonyum or a Cronfor. This guy, Paul Adom, is a hardened criminal. Now, this does not end there. Now, this lady who is still the Ghana Airport Company boss, she has to be sacked. Because, when this deal was going on in 2024, when Ekufuor was in power, when this lady was there and still there as the Ghana Airport Company boss, she knew about all this transaction. Now, if Paul, the board chair, is under investigation, why is the government keeping this criminal lady at the Ghana Airport Company? Why do you think the lady was quick to terminate the contract? Because she knew, let me tell you, when the board of Ghana Airport Company sits, the manager of Ghana Airport Company sits in the board meeting. So do you want to tell me, sir, this woman does not know, say, Paul Adom was cooking this deal? This woman, no. She knew all along. She has been part of this criminality because these two people were all what? They were all appointed by Ekufuor. Now, do you now understand the connection? They are playing Ghanaians. They are playing with us because I'm just here, Jimmy. Mami Way, on the boss of Ghana Airport Company Limited, on the managing director. Paul Adom now or your board chair. Time now Paul Adom board chair. This woman was the managing director and she's still the managing director. Now the Dan Kwekufuor na appointing go for me anyway. Time on this company we deal about board meeting. This woman was there. Paul Adom was there. Now, how come say Paul Adom is under investigations and this woman is still there as the MD of Ghana Airport Company? And I'm sending this message to the president. Why is this woman still the boss of Ghana Airport Company? Because what Paul has done, the managing director knows everything Paul did, and this woman has to be sacked. Why is the president even keeping this woman at the airport? Adentina NDC are buying till date. More than keeping woman with our Ghana Airport Company. This woman is a criminal. She needs to be sacked. This investigation, Matisse, the special prosecutor, they have invited this woman. She is also under investigation. So I want to ask the president, Mr. President, why is this criminal lady still the MD of Ghana Airport Company? Because board chair, manager or Timbi, this woman was part of the decision from the beginning. She knows all the corrupt activities of Paul. So why are we not talking about this woman? Why have we sidelined this woman? This woman is also part of the cartel. Nana Adodan Kwekufuor na appointing Kofomi anyway, a euphomia anyway. So my advice to the president is simple. By the end of the week, you need to sack this woman. She needs to step aside. Because the investigation is going on. No? Time idea we start here, not our hobby. If this woman was new, then we will understand that she was not involved in this whole scam or scandal. But this woman has been part of this scandal from day one. So why have we ignored this woman? Why have we neglected this woman? Why have we silenced this woman and going after a criminal like Paul Nkwa? This woman is also part of the scandal. It is Mr. President, if you want us, people like us, to defend your government, to protect this government, to speak truth to power, to let Ghanaians know, say, abide way by say, protect Ghana for, you need to fire this woman. Because at this point, she is also a prime suspect in this criminal thing we are talking about. This woman is not supposed to be there. By Friday, Mr. President, you need to make sure this woman has been sacked. She's under investigations. Mr. President, with all due respect, this is what Ghanaians are saying. Mr. President, with all due respect, this woman needs to be sacked. Now, let's come back to this criminal Paul Adom. It's Paul Betna TV so, and our Casan we actually say, O 2482, Asante for him for. Omuna sebio krono okoboy no, omuma system ne pressure. Ema ye ni ba fie. Inti as we speak, we are asking, mensia a place a kronfo kwaji refuge ana.
Received to my pastors, Pastor Otchere, Rosemary said you called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs, Kwamo Hene, Jache, Jusumai Hene, and the senior officials of Mensia Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. Received to my pastors, Pastor Otchere, Rosemary said you called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs, Kwamo Hene, Jache, Jusumai Hene, and the senior officials of Mensia Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it. Received to my pastors, Pastor Otchere, Rosemary said you called, and you were very worried. And then to the chiefs, Kwamo Hene, Jache, Jusumai Hene, and the senior officials of Mensia Palace who put pressure on the system, insisting that please release Paul Adom. I cannot thank you more. I'm coming to Kumasi and I'll do it.
So that's it. Paul is a thief. And Paul Adom catch say Mensia a palace a protector crown for. We are still waiting for Mensia to release a statement. We are still waiting for an official statement that has been signed from Mensia because the 2 and I'll not sit here and say things I don't know. I am playing the video to send to Mensia for Mensia to understand. Say, and Ghana no, nipa be brown person manutia Mensia no. They are waiting. Your uncle be brown person manutia Mensia. They are waiting to see the step Mensia will take. Is what Paul saying the truth? I no cre. Say I am for more Mensia senior I am force, including the 2 Jache Hene. Jusumai Hene, any ahemfo amaka, mona muti asantimemu a amanfo wiade won kran e wa ban mu a mona muti wa amuka se yenyi akromfo ana ye pese yehu. Inti Paul Adom, Ghanaians should see him as a criminal. He's a criminal. You see, I'm explaining Bibia Achro. Bibia no kantie obwa. He cooked the deal. The company that brought the original idea, they sacked them. Paul brought his people and gave it to them. Paul went behind the scenes, took 20 million and told these people they should go on with the contract because now buying a wasso. He didn't know MPP was going to lose. In Conform say they are daring us. Yan state a year contract. If we say contract in 7 days because they have paid money to Paul. Now they don't know whether to tell us to say the counterfeit no koto we because to be can't Paul bribe. And Intin and Kofoe air threatening Ghana. And I'm telling the President of the Republic of Ghana, with all due respect, Mr. President, this woman at the Ghana Airport Company, too much controversy. It's too much. It has been going on for too much. It is too much. People are tired of this woman. It's been 7 months. It's enough. Whoever was giving this woman the favors, it is enough. This woman needs to be sacked. Mr. President, with all due respect, the NDC as a political party and this government, Mr. President John Dramani Mahama, it is enough. This woman is bad news. This woman is part of the crime. This woman did nothing for the NDC to come to power. This woman is an MPP appointee. This woman in and out works for the Kufuado. We don't want to have an issue with you, Mr. President, with all due respect. Sack this woman this week. Enough of the controversy at the airport. Obobia had to work. This woman did everything possible for Obobia to be kicked out of the airport. This airport does not belong to this woman. When Jan Krumani Nebusianfoni Kufuado, airport shops, no, Edemo Moho, Edin Kwasiasem, no, Omobabaji COVID-19 Sikano, this woman was there. So, Mr. President, you cannot tell me this woman has not been part of the crime from day one. This woman needs to go, or else we are all going to demonstrate against this decision of you keeping this woman at the airport. We are not kidding this time. We are not going to allow anybody to malign or distract this government. We are here to protect the government. We are here to speak truth. We are here to make sure the right thing is done. This woman needs to be sacked. This woman is under investigations. She is not supposed to be the MD of Ghana Airport Company. I was say a pamono. I don't know why. Ejuma bi amami wo ya obi ntumi nye. Minim qualification or why yenni bi wo Ghana wo NDC mu. Me who any extraordinary job be a wire wo Kotoka International Airport. We cannot get a woman who is smarter and intelligent than her to fill that position. We cannot get a man who is intelligent and smarter than her to get that position. We cannot get somebody who has sacrificed for the NDC to help John Mahama to come to power to do that job. There are people who have sacrificed, did everything to bring John Mahama back to power. Why is this woman still at the airport? Are we entertaining nonsense? Why are we entertaining these kind of things? The controversy surrounding this woman is too much. She needs to go. Nobody should take that guy serious. Or yeah, a typical liar. Paul Adomotri, ne yirina onene namno, Exim Bank, former Exim Bank manager, or Boneto, Onim. They don't live together. Paul Adomotri is a cunning, slimy, dirty riffraff who can lie through his ass. This guy stood on national television to tell us, say, Oba onena wumi bako, watam Ghana sika komano, ne nyonku, wakwa jina wakache so onimno. After all these things, Paul Adomotri, after all these things,
Okay, so where do we go? Roll up. Okay, so where do we go? Roll up.
Okay. This looks good. Me too, sorry.
Croydon, South.
Game today, you will be able to know when the goal comes, you know what the goal means. Okay, so this is the celebrated Black Stars with their captain in the center, Andre. We wish him the best of luck. Our reporter Ibrahim will be telling us who is able to play and who is not able to play. So let's get to the details. Now, read this with me. For Ghana to gain automatic qualification, they will need to come runner-up in their group. Game today, you will be able to know when the goal comes, you know what the goal means. Okay, so this is the celebrated Black Stars with their captain in the center, Andre. We wish him the best of luck. Our reporter Ibrahim will be telling us who is able to play and who is not able to.
It will be for 30 children, exaggerated. Some of which will minister. It will be for 30 children, exaggerated.
Are you enjoying? Claudia's cocktail, right? Claudia's cocktail. The new name.
Yeah.
Claudia.
Yeah. Claudia.
Getting my new cocktail. Claudia.
I want to show you Sibia Paul Adomochi or a dangerous human being. Asem no be careful. Paul obetume kunibe twara shefri jim not if you on country bia or a dangerous guy. On Sibia Otchere no. On the bano jina ichi no. Sibia Paul ye dangerous no. Obetume kun akura ne twitwa na gu free jim not if you the whole day na otonya menyom. That is how dangerous Paul is. On the video I'm lecturing nyina no. Paul Adomochi came back on TV to tell us to say, "Oh, lady no krampo de onim no. Na lady no krampo de or your friend bia oshia no." That is how dangerous he is. Into Paul Adomochi TV so no obejina ka say onim bibia obwa, he's a dangerous guy. Paul Adomochi upon all these things say nyina enim no. Paul came back to tell Ghana for say, "Oh, lady no krampo de onim ni bibia." This is Paul Adomochi, a very despicable human being.
So viewers, you remember that I'm addressing this matter because I read the text messages and the comments underneath it. And I was completely surprised. So I decided to address it. I think you remember this photograph, viewers. I think you remember this photograph. Last year, I was invited by these two gentlemen that you see here to Oktoberfest in Germany. This is the video. Show them the video.
Ghana. Ghana.
This video I showed here. Now, due respect has a video of me and a lady whom I know well. She's like a family friend. She lives in Germany. And I was in Munich. She doesn't live in Munich. She had come with her family to Oktoberfest. And because I didn't understand German and I know her quite well, I asked her to come along. See, Oktoberfest is a festival, if you know. It's a festival. So it's happening on a park. Everybody's there. It's a very huge park there. And they were showing me German. Some of the park shows German history of German technology, entertainment, fun, all these things, roller coaster, all of that. So we're going through. And I invited her to follow me. So she kept her nanny with her daughters, her children. And then she followed me just so that she can explain the German that the people are saying in case they are saying something. You know, we Africans, we're always suspicious like that. In case they are saying something. And Oktoberfest is a festival. It's fun. So there's hugs, there's pegs, there's all of that going on over there. So when she was leaving, when she finished and she was leaving, she held me and gave me a peg. And there's a video of it, which was loaded on the Oktoberfest Instagram page. Due Respect shows the video yesterday, says that the girl I'm dating her. I have bought a house for $1.2 million in Germany for her. You haven't even heard the words, viewers. I'm coming to it. And that I have stolen $10 million of Ghana airport money and deposited it in the account in Germany. And because the lady says she doesn't want me again, I don't know what it means. She doesn't want me again. I am threatening her. Absolutely, I've never dated her. I'm not threatening her. I've not. So I called her and I said, "Have you seen this?" She doesn't know Due Respect. She has never spoken to Due Respect before. So she's asked her lawyers to draft a statement for her so she can put on social media that she's the lady in the photograph. She has no problem with me. I'm just a friend, a close friend, family friend. She comes to Ghana. She calls me. She's been with me and my family people at a concert in Ghana, Kofi Kenata. We all went to see it. She came there with her children. They were there. And they stayed in the same hotel as because an Oktoberfest hotel. At some point, I even asked her to go organize watching for me. You know me and my street food things. I ate some watching in Washington, D.C. It was brutal. It was made by Indians. I was in Washington. I said I wanted watching. And one of the people said, "Okay, I can get you watching." They brought the watching. It was super. So I said, "Charlie, can you organize watching for me?" We had all that fun.
But Oktoberfest is not organized in America. It's organized in Germany. Oktoberfest, yenye in America, yenye in Washington, D.C. Oktoberfest happens in Germany. Are you talking about Germany or you are talking about Washington, D.C.? Because you are talking about Wache being ordered for you in Washington, D.C. But you were telling us that it was an Oktoberfest event. Oh, yeah, with Jimmy. The white guys are not your friends. Now show us one video of you and those white guys apart from that video. This guy, where or see the shot that near man poison on move. Oktoberfest near any Germany and say on America. Because at a point we were telling us that you ate some watch in Washington, D.C. and you ordered it and all that. And the girl brought the watch to you in Washington. But the Oktoberfest, you told us that you went to Cologne or something. The girl left her babies with her nanny. So which is which? And those two white guys are now some your own now for no. Till date, we've not seen you and them any other video or picture. Now you were talking about the video we showed you kissing the girl. Say it was uploaded on Oktoberfest Instagram page. You are lying. There's no video like that. This is a personal video from the lady's phone. Why are you like that? Because I'm paying you when you remember and you know, I don't know anything. When was here? When was a radin and coupon? Because here we conform way. Such a dirty, filthy human being. Now, men so type of motor to war. Now, I have to be a patch on a view. Such a thief, a criminal like Paul Adom. This filthy, dirty criminal. And you remember TV so. Obabesu, I will be Tano, and you know, and everything he will say is a lie. He has taken $20 million from Evertex. He has taken $20 million. That is why the people are warning us. They are threatening us. Some of my 7 days. Say, yeah, reverse it. Idea now, you take it, say, I cancel contract now. Almost our company, no, because Paul has taken their money. Because Yahweh, anything he says, don't listen. He's a liar. He's a thief. And this woman too has to go. And I'm pleading with the president. The airport is a criminal scene. You need to clean it up and get new people there. You need to wipe that airport off. There are so many people at the airport. You need to get rid of them. There's one immigration officer, your friend Leo Mensa, some criminal guy working at Kotoka International, some criminal fool. I'll come and show you his picture. Another thief. I'm in Kotoka International Airport. I'll come and show you that foolish boy's picture. Your friend Leo said here on Kotoka International Airport. You need to clean the airport up. You need to wipe the airport of filth. There are too many criminals at Kotoka International Airport. This lady has to go. Why? Is this woman smarter than Obobiana? It's more person which say Obobia and then the likes no more NDC no more jumano. Mami fu or papa chen omwana. The woman who went into the gutters. Those who did themselves dirty. Today, they don't deserve to be managers of Kotoka International Airport. What did this woman do? What did this woman do, Mr. President? What did this woman do for the NDC? You were in opposition. All the things that you saw, the insults, the deliberate attacks on you and your family, all these people were part of the Kufuor's regime. Why are you keeping them in office? Mami Ochambobia. And I'm watching NDC ni babia or no school obetuma manage a Kotoka International Airport. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Why are we allowing these fools to take advantage of a hard-fought victory like this? Because we got in Parliament. Now, if you want to NDC for them, because we are allowing such criminals to be rolling in the government. I've said my piece. I'll come back to this. And it's always important to say, media make Ghana for. Paul Adom is a political criminal. Any word. And today, I want to send this message to Zoom Lion, Mr. Jospon. And I've always said here, I respect him a lot. Because Open one Ghanaian will create a lot of work, job for Ghanaians, Jospon. You cannot take that from him. He might have his own flaws. You might not like Ayedi and Zoom Lion. You might hate him, I get it. But there's one thing you cannot take from him. We create a Juma. He has created jobs. He has created jobs for people. Internet there, I give it to him. I am sending this message to Zoom Lion and the board of Metro TV. The board chair of Metro TV is Ken Ashibe. Ken Ashibe is always on TV talking about corruption. Let us fight corruption. He has made himself say already Onye Boneda. Ken Ashibe, you are the board chair of Metro TV. Paul Adom is under criminal investigations. Why are you people not taking him off air? You, Ken Ashibe, your credibility is on the line. You have been screaming from the touchline. We are fighting corruption. This is against this. This is against it. You want to know whether you are corrupt or you are somebody we can trust. You are the board chair of Metro TV. Ken Ashibe. Ken Ashibe, you are the board chair of Metro TV. and those doctors and professors on, I'll bring their pictures. I'm sending this message to Zoom Lion and Kenashibe. This Paul Adomotri is a criminal. He's a political criminal. In fact, Enya Kurana, he's under criminal investigation. Why are you guys allowing him to stand on Metro TV? Now, Metro TV is a platform for criminals. You expect a criminal to be standing on Metro TV to be telling Ghanaians what? So, Kenashibe, so one guy's only chrome for. Now say indirectly, you lying to Ghanaians and say you are legit and that we should trust you. Then you at the board of Metro TV, make sure Paul Adomotri is taken off TV. Because you to me a re-imagina TV so and the country will be so Paul Adomotri or ye ria sebio a reform ahaban tareneto. He is a thief. So Kenashibe, we are giving you 24 hours. Now in the next 24 hours, if we don't hear anything from the Metro TV board, I'll come and line you guys up here. And you see some in my bottom. Just one. I am giving you 24 hours. And in the next 24 hours, a criminal like Paul Adomotri, if you people allow Paul Adomotri to sit on TV, on Metro TV, then it means just one and the board of Metro TV. I know just one or your Pentecost and I don't want to delve in there. I don't want to go in there because I respect the Church of Pentecost and I respect Jospon and I know he will do the right thing. I'm telling the board, this is a decision you need to take. We need to sanitize the system. We cannot allow criminals to be standing on TV and talking what? He is under criminal investigations. He needs to leave TV. Team. Paul is a thief. Paul is a criminal. Nobody should listen to Paul Adomotri. Oh, yeah, he has nothing. That is what he has been doing for years. He cannot change. He is going to jail. He needs to be taken off TV. Neirina, former Exim Bank boss, no Odino Hotel, Mebachamo, Kempinski. And a Paul Adomotri, who ye? And our band catcher Paul, say Paul, Jimmy for if it's a Paul, then Quarabe Fiebeda. Paul, and Germany. And it's a Paul Adomotri, you know, Oja Paul. Sa video na muhu ye no ye frɛ ma amene sɛ omra if you say Paul ebefie nkwara na wo hodira ma amene ba ye no they don't live together. Paul Adomotri is a thief. He's a criminal and we are supposed to treat him as a criminal. He's not supposed to be given any space in our media. He's not supposed to be given any space. As we sit here today and the Paul Adomotri check akache Ghana for say menhia esoso akromfo so Paul Adomotri na ekache. He is the one telling Ghanaians. We didn't know. Until Menshia comes out to declare themselves, we are not going to stop because we need to know. Say Menshia, sana Menshia ye. And the Paul Adomotri catcher say Menshia any him from was antimemuno. So omo kobo krono wan kraya. Menshia and the chucha omo. Is that how we want to run this country? A big palace like Menshia and the Paul Adomotri catcher say O2472 akromfo no protect omo. O2472 and then a him for more Menshia and the Paul Adomotri catcher TV say omo kobo krono wan kraya. MPP for kobo krono omo na mo system ne pressure. This is where we are today. Why should we do this to ourselves? Why should we allow such people to be walking on the streets of Ghana? Why should we allow such thieves to have space in our country, in our media space? Why should we allow such filthy people? Paul Adomotri is a disgusting, filthy human being. He needs to go to jail. He's a political criminal. We cannot allow these things. This guy, we cannot allow such a fool to be sitting on our TVs. This guy is a filthy, dirty soul.
Okay, so where do we go? Roller coaster. Okay, so where do we go? Roller coaster. Okay, so where do we go? Roller coaster.
Okay. This looks good. Me too, sorry.
Croydon, South.
been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay. This looks good. Me too, sorry.
And Croydon, South. Been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay. This looks good. Me too, sorry.
And Croydon, South.
So that's it. Paul is a thief. Don't listen to him. He's a criminal. Let's move on. I'm done with this fool. Paul Adom issue. Now, before we move forward, there are so many things we can talk about. We have to talk about. This guy, Nidin Eddie Williams and Nefi Sapon, is also another criminal. Me say, in the weeks to come, you may be a basis. I'm a boy Ghana ho. And I'm a peer free Ghana. You may be basis no. This boy is called Williams and Nefi Sapon. Oyewi. He's a thief. He's a criminal. Sa boy we uni baby a hwedun sogu no ho. Enche bia enche. Onse ma boy wura Ghana. Na me wura Ghana. Se me pia nyoma bebrebe si. Williams and Nefi Sapon. Boy we oye kromfo oye internet fraudster. Hwe. This boy is an internet fraudster. He dupes people. Nanko beso de Mahama di ko di bone machino. And I'm going to make sure he ends up in jail. His name is Williams and Nefi Sapon. Ne papa nie. Ne papa nie. Papa we oyewi ono se akromfo. Another crazy criminal. And when you stroke that them, Yankopon one no aboa. These are criminals. Boy we ne papa ne mame. Omo come with tribom no mo buma. Omo bu businesses. Boy we. Your friend Williams and Nefi Sapon. Or your kromfo or yewi. Sa Spintex clinic in Enyane dia. Homra. We are going to do some audit on this boy. He's going to go to jail. Boy, we on any papa ne mame, Juma omudino no. Omo ye internet fraudsters. Ne mame nie, hwe, monyo si ewie, mo bodam. Ne mame nie, mame we so ye wi or ye kromfo. Mo dia momunim. This woman too is a criminal. Boy no edupin kofo a mame we na first person to pick a phone. Mame we enim sa ne bani ye wi. Every single person they meet, the woman will tell you a different story about her son. That is what they do. This woman and the dad and the boy we, that is what they do. They are criminals. Baby abahu boy we biano. So okutetu ahwa huye because obetume kuwa to actually. So every time you see him, be on guard. Your friend Williams and Nefi Sapon. Obotu okunipa. Or you're a dangerous guy. Or you're one criminal you have to be very careful about. Ni nimunye mamefo no nkwanchira mo. Williams and Nefi Sapon. Your friend of Dr. Wask Obwa. Or a criminal on your Dr. Bia Obwa. And I keep telling you people, me say, when I start to cook something, that's almost a jina dia ba kuswacha, and there's a reason. Me Ghana, my year Juma a lot of work. I'll be showing you some things. And so many things eba be see.